and find the strength in faith. This event was not just a celebration, but a powerful reminder that transformational and healing are possible when we trust in God's grace. I am from the Philippines, and when we gather, we always have some games. Of course, there's the Word of God. We have some games. We have some prizes and entertainment. So I was so excited. Like I couldn't sleep. Like what is happening? What's like music? What is that? And then I was like, am I in the retreat? So it's really beautiful because, and I'm so inspired about this speaker. You know, it's so hard. That's so difficult. It's really, really difficult. And I'm so blessed, even though my journey is actually different. Like my mom is here, and
Hi, Mom.
it's like I grew up without a father because my dad died when I was 3. And I was actually like always crying. Let's say, for example, in this school, like there's like they're talking about their dad, boasting about their dad, like their dad gave them some gifts, and it's like I don't have a dad. I was crying, and I was really crying. Like, what is happening? Why do they have dad and I don't have a dad? And then so I prayed to God, like I really don't want that life. I mean, like, I don't want my children to experience that with, without, growing up without a dad. So I keep praying for my husband to have, like, physical strength, long life, healthy, long life.